Welcome to my channel. My name is Bradley St. Clair, if you want to know my last name, because that's in the title. But this is my channel, and I am going to do many things. I might vlog if I go anywhere special, maybe like Legoland, because that's fun. Fun. So, today in my first video, I am going to be building a Lego set. Now, this Lego set is from the Lego Batman movie. It's the Joker Escape, wherever it says that. There we go, right there. The Joker Balloon Escape. It is 124 pieces, and I got this at Legoland. So yeah, let's get into it. So I took the two pieces that take the stickers, and I put them together. So that's what I did, and I just wanted to make sure you guys notice that. I also took both peoples, which is the Joker and Batman, and I put them together and I got their weapons done. So yeah. And I already opened all the bags with all the pieces so I could just get this faster. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the Joker's, I guess you could call it his floating balloon escape thingy. Now we've got the balloons, we've got the Joker and stuff, so yeah. On to the next thing. I also want to show both the faces for both characters, because both characters have two faces, and that's the first face. So Batman's is different. He's got like squinted eyes. This is Joker's second face. He's smiling much more and his teeth aren't together. And this is Batman's second face, his surprised face. As you can see, the white, both of his eyes are completely white, and his mouth is like, what just happened? So this is just one last look at the set. It's a cool set, really easy to make, and yeah, you get Batman and Joker as a thing. But this isn't just a regular set, this is from the Lego Batman movie, which is old now, I guess you could call it old. But yeah, that's the set. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, because this is my first video and it would really make it a big help to me and my family, because I would love to use the money that I could make from this to help out with bills and stuff, to let my family use it. But anyway, thanks for watching. Comment how you liked it, and I can also check by how many likes or dislikes this may or may not get. But yeah, peace.